How to add audio in Canva. This application has many features, one of which is adding audio to video and photos. This is very easy, and I will teach you in a minute. First of all, I need to open a new template. I will do this from this part and choose this template so that I can add audio to it. I put the link in the description for you. Well, now I want to choose a video from the Elements section. I do this quickly to get to the section of adding audio faster. I choose this one from the video section. To make it more beautiful, I set it as a background. Now, to add audio, click on the Upload option from the left menu, then enter the audio section. Now, if this file is in your system, you must click on the Upload Files option and find and select the desired audio from your system. As you can see, I have now selected an audio file from my system, and it is uploading here. Depending on the size of your file, the upload time may be a few seconds or more. Now, after it's finished uploading, click on it and drag it to the right side of the screen, as you can see here. You can easily upload an audio file and play it on your video or photo. In this lower part, you can see that your audio or music has been added to this slide. And now for more settings of this audio, click on the three dots option. In this section, you can use these settings if needed. Now you may have a background music and want to add a voiceover to this project. This is also very easy to do. You just need to upload two files in the same way as I said and add them to the project, which I am doing now. And this is the second music file that I uploaded, and now I drag it into the project. Super easy. And finally, we can perform different settings on these two audio and music. By the way, the link is in the description. I upload many tutorials in this regard on this channel. If you liked this video and it was useful for you, be sure to like it. Thank you.